My dear fourth semester mechanical and automobile students, today I will discuss two types of questions with answer, five types of questions and 10 types of questions. First of all, what is mechanical efficiency? It's the ratio of brake power BP to the indicated power IP is called mechanical efficiency. Mathematically, it is written as efficiency is equal to BP by IP. Then, what is indicated thermal efficiency? It's the ratio of the heat equivalent to 1 kilowatt hour to the heat in the fuel per IP hour. Mathematically, indicated thermal efficiency is equal to IP into 3600 divided by MF into C. What is MF? MF is equal to mass of fuel consumed in kg per hour. C is equal to calorific value of fuel. Now, what is brake thermal efficiency? It is the ratio of the heat equivalent to 1 kilowatt hour to the heat in fuel per BP hour. It is also known as overall efficiency of the engine. Therefore, brake thermal efficiency is equal to BP into 3600 divided by MF into C. Now, I will discuss what is the difference between gas and vapor. Generally, a gas may be defined as a state of any substance whose evaporation from its liquid state is complete. Generally, gas always obeys all the gas laws under all conditions of temperature and pressures. Substances like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, air, etc. may be regarded as gases. But vapors may be defined as a partially evaporated liquid and consist of the pure gaseous state together with the particles of liquid in suspension. Then I will discuss what is steam. Generally, steam is a vapor of water and is invisible when pure and dry. Generally, it is used for the following purposes. First of all, operation of a steam engine and operation of steam turbine. Then, what are the four industrial uses of compressed air? Generally, the industrial uses of compressed air are given below. First one is compressed air is used for operating lift gates. It is used as conveyors for material handling. It is also used for operating gas turbines. It is also used in spraying of pesticides, paints, spraying of fuel into diesel engine. Then I will discuss what is free air delivery. It is the actual volume delivered by a compressor under the conditions of temperature and pressure. The volume being reduced to normal temperature and pressure conditions. Generally, it is shortly written as FAD, that is free air delivery. Then, what is compressor capacity? It is the volume of air delivered by the compressor and is expressed in meter cube per minute or meter cube per second. Then I will discuss what is pressure ratio. Generally, it is the ratio of discharge pressure or delivery pressure to the intake pressure. Since the discharge pressure is always greater than the inlet pressure, the value of pressure ratio is always 1. Then I will discuss what is mean effective pressure. It is the ratio of work done to the stroke volume or piston displacement volume. Mathematically, PM means mean effective pressure is equal to work done by stroke volume. Then there is also one type of important question, what is boiler draught? Draught is the difference of pressure which causes a flow of air to take place from outside atmospheric into the boiler furnace for complete combustion of fuel. Now, I will discuss what is Newton's law of cooling. The heat transfer from a hot body to a cold body is directly proportional to the solid surface area A, and difference of temperature between the two bodies, that is T1 minus T2. This statement is also called as Newton's law of cooling.
Theoretically.
Actually, this statement is called Newton's law of cooling. Mathematically, it is given by Q is equal to H A within bracket T1 minus T2, where T1 is equal to temperature of hot body, T2 is equal to temperature of cold body, and H is equal to heat transfer coefficient. Now, I will discuss what is calorific value of fuel. The calorific value of a solid or liquid is the quantity of heat produced by the complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel or 1 meter cube of fuel. The calorific value of solid or liquid fuel is expressed in terms of kilojoule per kg of fuel, or the calorific value of gaseous fuel is expressed in kilojoule per meter cube. Then define accessories of boiler. They are devices and integral part of a boiler. They include superheater, feed pump, economizer, etc. The accessories help in controlling and running the boiler efficiently. Then I will discuss what is mounting of boilers. These are the fittings which are mounted on the boiler for its proper functioning. The fittings include water level indicator, pressure gauge, steam stop valve, safety valve, etc. Generally, a boiler cannot functioning without mountings. Then I will discuss what is dryness fraction of steam. Dryness fraction of steam is defined as the ratio of the mass of dry saturated steam actually present to the same quantity of wet steam. Mathematically, it is denoted by small x. Therefore, x is equal to mass of dry saturated steam divided by mass of wet steam. Or we can write as x is equal to ms by ms plus mw, where ms is equal to mass of dry steam and mw is equal to mass of water vapor in suspension. Now, I will discuss, actually you know there are three types of steam. One is wet steam, then second one is dry steam, and third one is dry superheated steam. First of all, I will discuss what is wet steam. When the steam contains moisture or particles of water in suspension, it is said to be wet steam. It means that the evaporative of water is not complete. Then, what is dry saturated steam? When the wet steam is further heated and it does not contain any suspended particles of water, it is said to be dry saturated steam. Then, what is superheated steam? When dry saturated steam is further heated, it becomes superheat. Temperature of superheated steam is always greater than saturation temperature. Then I will discuss what is steam. Steam is a vapor of water and is invisible when pure and dry. It is used for the following purposes. One is operation of steam engine, operation of steam turbines, etc. These are very important questions for exam. Now, you should know 5 types of questions are. Now, 5 types of questions are: differentiate between fire tube and water tube boiler. Second one, what are the classification of boiler? Third one, explain the construction of single acting reciprocating compressor. Fourth one, describe classification of boiler. Then describe forced, induced and balanced dot. Differentiate between the heats and generative cycles. These are the 5 types of questions, and 10 marks type of questions are: describe the construction and working of Cochrane boiler. Describe construction and working of Babcock Wilcox boilers. Third one is explain Carnot vapor cycle with PV and test diagram. Fourth one, derive an expression for efficiency of Rankine cycle. Now, two types of problems are important for your exam. Now, you can follow my